She go to school. Wrong. She goes to school. Correct. Rule: with he, she, add s to the verb. I am agree. Wrong. I agree. Correct. Agree is a verb. We don't need am. He don't like coffee. Wrong. He doesn't like coffee. Correct. Rule: use doesn't with he or she or it. I have 25 years. Wrong. I am 25 years old. Correct. In English, we use am or is or are for age. She very beautiful. Wrong. She is very beautiful. Correct. Don't forget the verb is. We are 5 people in my family. Wrong. There are 5 people in my family. Correct. Use there are when talking about number of people. He is engineer. Wrong. He is an engineer. Correct. Always use a or and with jobs. Open the light. Wrong. Turn on the light. Correct. In English, we turn on or off lights. She sent me the story. Wrong. She told me the story. Correct. We tell someone but say something. I am going home. Wrong. I am going home. Correct. No to before home. He is married with her. Wrong. He is married to her. Correct. We always say married to, not with. I'm waiting you. Wrong. I'm waiting for you. Correct. Wait always needs for before the person. I prefer tea than coffee. Wrong. I prefer tea to coffee. Correct. Prefer is followed by to, not than. She discussed about the problem. Wrong. She discussed the problem. Correct. Discuss already includes the idea of about. He is good in English. Wrong. He is good at English. Correct. The correct phrase is always good at. So these were some of the most common English mistakes with their correct forms. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then comment below and tell me. If you want more videos like this, I'll definitely make them for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.